Hello, Sari stars. How are things going on in your saring world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you a fabulous collection of Kanjivaram silk saris. These saris are hand woven, the designs are breathtaking, and the colors are mesmerizing. So let's get started with these saris. A gorgeous deep wine Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is perfect for bridal and special occasions. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a gorgeous deep wine color. There are zari grids all over the body of the sari, and the borders of the sari have tissue. The pallu of the sari is absolutely breathtaking and has intricate zari motifs of gudara, that is horses, pakshis, and floral diamond shaped motifs. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or you can pair it with a gold tissue blouse. Traditional gold jewelry and diamond jewelry will look stunning with this sari. A very unique and exclusive Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a gorgeous ice blue shade. The body of the stunning Kanjivaram silk sari is in a lovely ice blue color and there are pin stripes running along the length of the sari. The borders have cuttams in a combination of blue and magenta with Mail Chakram motifs. This sari brings together two beautiful elements of the Kanjivaram, that is the stripes or code and the cuttam or checks. The gorgeous blue pallu of the sari has zari motifs of yana, that is elephants, and pakshi motifs. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a beautiful magenta blouse. A gold necklace or diamond necklace will look stunning with this sari. Cuttams or checks are loved by many of us. We have a gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari with cuttams, but in a very contemporary combination of pink and cream. This Kanjivaram silk sari has cuttams or checks in a very contemporary combination of shades of pink and shades of cream. There are also floral zari buttas on the body. The sari doesn't have borders, but there is a stripe of zari along the edges. The deep pink pallu of the sari has floral zari buttas and diamond-shaped zari buttas. The sari has a deep pink blouse fabric with floral zari motifs. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. A lovely green emerald or jade choker will enhance the look of this sari. A classic Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is in a stunning yenna arakku or deep maroon. The body of this Kanjivaram silk saree is in a lovely yenna arakku or deep maroon, and the borders are in a combination of red, orange and green. This border gives a beautiful look to this saree. The pallu of the saree has seeparekku in zari. The saree has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a beautiful green blouse or orange blouse. A coral necklace or green jade necklace will look fabulous with this saree. A Kanjivaram silk saree inspired by nature. This one has very cute deer motifs on a beautiful combination of two shades of green. The body of this Kanjivaram silk saree is in a stunning emerald green, and there are vertical stripes, that is stripes running along the width of the saree. The borders are in a lighter shade of green, and there are lovely deer or man motifs in zari on the borders. The pallu of the saree has zari lines. The saree has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse. A lovely gold necklace or kemp adiga will look beautiful with this saree. A gorgeous Kanjivaram silk saree with the vintage plus buttas on the body. This one is in a fabulous combination of rose orange and deep pink. This Kanjivaram silk saree is in a very festive color of rose orange, and there are plus shaped buttas done in zari all over the body of the saree. The borders are in a beautiful deep pink, and there are darbarpet motifs in zari. The deep pink pallu of the saree has beautiful zari motifs of mile chakram and diamonds. The saree has a deep pink blouse fabric. You can pair this saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with a traditional gold necklace. Kanjivaram silk sarees are known for their vivid colors and breathtaking designs, and they are perfect for all kinds of special occasions. To shop for our collection of hand-woven Kanjivaram silk sarees, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more sarees and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.